Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal breakfast. Measure 1 cup rolled oats and 2 cups liquid, and pick milk or water. Simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes while stirring to avoid clumps. Add a pinch of salt to enhance flavor and choose toppings like sliced banana, berries, nuts, or a drizzle of maple syrup for sweetness. Adjust texture with more or less liquid before serving warm. In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal breakfast. Bring liquid to a gentle boil, add oats, then reduce to a simmer and stir. Cook for about 5 minutes until the oats absorb most liquid and reach your desired creaminess. Stir frequently to prevent sticking and adjust heat if it splatters. Remove from heat and fold in add-ins like nut butter or fruit so they blend without losing texture. Serve immediately warm. In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal breakfast. Use a microwave-safe bowl with extra space, mix oats and liquid, then heat on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Pause to stir and test texture, continuing in 30-second bursts if needed. Let the porridge rest for a minute to thicken and cool slightly, then fold in fruit, nuts, or sweetener. Microwaving is fast, safe, and great for busy mornings when you want a hot, comforting bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.